Hi guys, and welcome to another quick Java tutorial. So in this tutorial we're gonna see how to take user input in our terminal for our Java program. So there are actually different methods to do this. I'm gonna use the scanner class in order to take the user input. So in order to use the scanner class, we're gonna actually import java.util.scanner first, and then we're gonna create our scanner object. I'm gonna name it scan. So scanner scan is equal to new scanner, and then we're gonna give it our input stream, so system.in. So now this scan object right here, we're gonna use it to get the values for our different primitive data types. So if we're having a boolean variable, then we're gonna have a function or a method in the scan object. So scan the next boolean. So um, it's actually gonna wait for us to enter the value for the boolean variable in the terminal. And for reading a byte variable, we're having next byte. And for the short data type, we're having next short. For the integer, next int. For the long, next long. For the float, next float. For the double data type, next double. And for a string variable, we actually have the function next. Alright, and in our next tutorial we're gonna see how to use this input and create a logic for our program. So catch you in the next one.